This is my Tovest application. I just got signed up on this platform and this is how much I have so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get registered on this Tovest, how you can get verified, the features that are available on this application, and how you can start making money on this application. And all you basically have to do is to take a moment of your time to pay attention to the step-by-step guide. But before we proceed, for a quick intro, Tovest is simply a centralized exchange, just like these other exchanges that you know out there like Bybit, Binance, BitGet, and the rest of all of these centralized exchanges. That is what Tovest basically is. But unlike these other exchanges, Tovest has some extra features that can help you to make money on the platform. These are part of what we're going to be exploring in today's video, and like I've said, all you basically have to do is to pay attention to the details. Before we proceed with the tutorial, for those of you that already subscribed to my channel, I want to say congratulations to you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. It shows that you're following my updates carefully. And if you're coming to this channel for the first time, take a moment of your time to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we upload a new video just like this one. This is my Tovest screen. This is the interface and this is how it looks like. Now the first thing I want to do to get signed up on this platform is by tapping on the login button that you can see at the top of my screen. Once you tap on that login, you're going to get two login options, the Google and the Telegram. My favorite has always been Google, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Google to sign up. Once you select the Google you want to use in signing up, your details and all other things is going to be connected automatically to the platform, and you now have yourself an account. Once your registration is complete, this is how your interface is going to look like. This is basically your dashboard. On this page, if I scroll up, you can see these are the things that are being displayed on this page. And if I go to the bottom, this is where you get to see their certifications, the people that they are currently in partner with, or the companies that they are currently in partner with. So that is that about that. If I scroll back down and then I tap on this hamburger menu that is at the top of my left screen, you can see this is the Predit, the pre-IPO, the signal flow, blog, frequently asked questions about us, and a whole lot of other that. So we're going to be explaining that one by one. Now, let me go over to this market here. This is the market. I tap on this market, and as you can see, this is what is on the page. So on this page, you get to see the new coins that are being listed. These are the new listings. These are currently the markets, the coins that are tradable on this platform. So now that we're done with this page, let's now go over to our trade section. If I tap on the trade section, you can see this is the trading page. Currently on this platform, there are three types of ways you can do your trading. The first one is the futures trading. For those of you that already know how to do futures trading, of course, this is going to be highly beneficial to you. While the second option we have on this page is our spot trading. Personally, I do spot trading a lot. Spot trading is basically you buying at the current market rate or selling at that same current market rate. And you can see the list of tokens on this page. So if I tap on this USDT options here, you can see a list of tokens. In case you want to search for tokens or coins that are not currently on this page, you can click here and then you search for the coin. The third thing we have here is our pre-IPO. Now what this pre-IPO basically means is that you get the opportunity to trade coins or tokens that are currently, let me say, have perceived value. Let's say these coins are not yet listed in the market, but there are currently a perceived value that these coins have. It is going to be listed here and then you can trade them. If I click here now, you can see this is SpaceX. There are also other tokens like Anthropic, Andrew, Kaushi, and these others that are here. These are not coins that are listed yet, but you can still currently trade them at their perceived value. If I go over to this Discover section here, this is what is on the page here where you can see our signal flow. If I scroll up, you can see this is basically what is on this page here. While the last option here is our Me menu, which is where I get to see my profile and my balance. On this page, you can see this is my account. It is showing that I'm verified. By the way, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on this platform because verification is highly required. For you to be able to do anything meaningful on this platform, you need to get verified. So this is how my interface looks like. This is my current balance. You can see this is where I get to select whether I want to deposit a coin, or I can also select whether I want to withdraw, or I can select whether I want to transfer a coin, maybe from my funding to my futures account or to my spot account or whatever. So that is that about that. If I scroll down, you can see this is a list of my assets breakdown. Currently, I have $12 in my funding. In my spot, there is nothing. In futures, there is nothing. Frozen, there is also nothing. If I scroll up, you can see this is my order history and this is my deposit history where I deposited $12. So that is basically that about that in regards to this platform. I know the question that will be on your mind now is that how do I get to make money on this platform? What and what can I do to make money we are coming to that. This is my account when I was not verified, and as you can see, it is showing unverified. So you tap on that unverified button, it is going to take you to this page. Once you come on this page, you can see for me to start my verification, these are the benefits. If I get verified on this platform, I'll have access to higher trading limits, fast withdrawals, enhanced securities, and that is that about that. The verification process is simple. I just basically need to provide my ID document by clicking on this start verification. So once you come on this page, the first thing you want to do is to select your country. For me that I'm in Nigeria, I'm going to go ahead and select Nigeria. Once you're done with that, you go ahead and put in your full name. Once your full name is done, you now go ahead and fill in your date of birth. Then you go ahead and put in your phone number. Basically, give them all of the details that they require on this page. You're going to need to send a picture of the front and back of your government approved ID. For me, I use my plastic ID card. In case you're Nigerian, you don't know how to get your plastic NIN card, you can check the top of your screen here. I'll have pinned a video there where I show step by step on how to get your plastic ID. Once that is out of the way, you submit your details and then you wait for some time. As for me, I did my verification in the night, so I woke up in the morning to see that my account has been verified. So I don't know whether maybe it was 1 hour later in the night that they verified, or 2 hours or 3 hours, but I know that the verification does not take long, because for you to submit your details in the night and then in the morning you're verified, that basically means that verification on this platform is fast. That is basically that about that in regards to verification. So your account is verified. You can now see, you come over to this page here. For you to make money on this platform, there are a whole lot of ways. Let's go to the task section. Now, when I tap on this home page, this is how my homepage interface looks like. You scroll up and then you can see this is Poly Market. Poly Market is one of the ways you can make money on this platform, but we'll talk about that towards the end of this video. So let's scroll here and you can see, go to this complete task to receive 10,000 USDT. You tap on it and then you wait for it to load. It's going to take us to the page. Now, on this page, this is where you get to do task. As you can see, invite your friends and earn commissions up to 20%. So if I copy my referral code right now and I invite people, I'm going to be getting rewards. You can click on this My Rewards page. It's going to take you to the reward page where you basically have to see the rewards that you've gotten. For instance, I've gotten 0.2 USDT as contract trial funds, blah, blah, blah. Let's go back to my screen. Now, here is where you get to enter invite code. Maybe somebody refer you. You can even pick this my code that you're seeing on my screen here. You come over to this place and then you use it. Now, if I come over to this invite friends, as you can see, if I invite 5 friends, I'm going to get 0.5 USDT. If I complete my first deposit, for them, they say complete your first deposit to receive a reward. The first deposit must be at least 10 USDT. So if you're coming to this platform, you do your first deposit by clicking on this to finish, and then you go ahead and select the method you want to use to deposit. Let's go back on the screen. If you deposit 200 USDT, you can see you're going to receive 20 USDT as a reward. If you do futures trading, blah, blah, blah. So these are basically the tasks that are available on this platform that you can use and make money on this platform. Now, if I go back on my screen here, this is Poly Market event. Let's tap on this Poly Market. If you're someone that is very conversant in the Web3 space, you realize that one of the trending ways that people are currently making money is Poly Market prediction. You get to predict, will this token go up? Will it come down? You get to predict. For instance, World Cup is currently ongoing. People are, look at this at the screen here. Sports, Germany versus Coach D'Ivoire, something like that. You get to predict who is going to win, how many goals, whatever. These are some of the ways people are making money in this platform. For those of you that like going to Bet Nigeria shop to go and give them your money, stop going there. Come and put the money here, do your prediction here, and get paid for it. So that is that about that in regards to making money on this platform. And of course, one old way of making money with crypto that can never be talked down about is trading. Yes, but I'm going to advise, if you don't know anything about futures trading, don't engage. Make sure you've learned how trading works before you can come and trade on this platform. And like I've explained, you can do futures trading, you can do spot trading. Another interesting thing is that they also offer a demo balance where you can do practicing of your trading. So in case you just finished learning and then you want to do practice of your trading, you want to test out your skills, you can come to this platform. They give you the demo balance where you can now use to trade. So that is basically that about that in regards to this platform. If you want to do your deposit or complete any of the deposit tasks, it's still simple. Just basically go to the Me page, Then on this page, you're going to see this deposit button. Click on it, and then you select this your payment method. There are a whole lot of different types of payment method you could decide to use. You can see the first one, GatePay, USDT, BSC, blah blah blah. But what I'm going to be using for this video is my USDT BSC. That is USDT on Binance blockchain. So I'm going to go ahead and select that my USDT on BSC, and then the amount I want to deposit. Make sure you put the specific amount you want to deposit. For instance, I'm going to be depositing 12 USDT for this first time trial. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed on confirmation. Once that is done, it's going to take me to this page. Now on this page, I need to click on click to pay so that they're going to show me the wallet address that I'm going to be sending the USDT to. This is in case you want to receive USDT from anybody, or you want to deposit USDT from another of your wallets that you have. It is still okay. So once you click on the click to pay, it is going to take you to this page. Here you can now basically copy your USDT wallet address, send it to whoever wants to send you the USDT, or you send it from another of your wallet. So I'll go ahead and copy it right now, and I'll go to my wallet to deposit 10 USDT on BNB blockchain. Once that is done, you click on the check result. After clicking on check result, you can see my page has reloaded. I'll go over to the me section, and you can see my 12 USDT has been deposited. And that is how swift deposit is. In case you also want to withdraw, it is still the same process. All you basically have to do is to click on this your withdraw button. Now, one important thing you need to notice is that if you deposited for the first time on this platform, you would have to wait for, I think, 5 or 6 hours. Or let's see what is going to be on the screen. You can see this is the amount of hours you have to wait for you to be able to withdraw. And this is for security purposes, for security reasons. This is to protect you. So you would have to wait this amount of hours before you will now finally be able to withdraw. And as usual, withdraw is still the same method. You put in the USDT wallet address you want to withdraw to, and basically do your withdrawal as simple and straightforward as that. That is basically about that, and that is all you need to know in regards to Tovest application. But also, before you engage, make sure to still take a moment of your time to do your own proper research. Search for Toniostech on X, follow me there. A lot of my updates do drop there even before I make videos on them, and I'll see you in my next video.